Congratulations, yet another place which already looks successful. It's already buzzing with lovely interiors, amazing food which we've just planned through. What do you have to say about the place?
Well, thank you very much. Tanatan happens to be our latest born baby in the group, and after success of our restaurants, the very procedure is not laid behind. Yes, we are up bringing a new outlets, which is Tanatan, which was a need and demand in Juhu, wherein we are focusing on all Indian progressive food, which was missing element. And yes, we are bringing that singing talent mode on, because this goes with food, this goes with music, this goes with live band, where we again promoting new talents, which we have been doing successfully with our previous brands R Adda and Bombay Adda. So yes, Tanatan happens to be a latest newborn rather brand.
Talking about the interiors, it's inspired from
See, the very concept is we thought of giving a Indian touch to the thing, the very aesthetic, the interiors. They do talk about a lot of interiors which has been taken from heritage, our Indian heritage rather, while you go and see some. And we have used bell as an element, which you can see. So it's the very names come as Tanatan. So having that bell giving Indian resemblance to things. And yes, while the name says, and we are into all Indian, right from south to coastal to east to north, we have brought everything down on the platter, and hope people will like it.
Amit, what do you have to add to the property? What do you have to say?
This is a newborn baby, Tanatan, and it's going to be like in Juhu. Actually, there's no good Indian restaurant, so we tried to getting the new modern Indian food with the live band and giving the like a chances to the like newcomers in the music industry.
Nate asking you, what creates a USP of every property now you've actually
See, Bugs, I'll say Bug is not stopping here with Rami. We have laid down success stories from last couple of years, which you have seen, right from reinventing our restaurants and giving them a new name, resemblance, food, hospitality. So yes, we are expanding. Tanatan happens to be a very unique concept which we have brought in front, adding Indian values and Indian food. Then we are on a urge of expanding as well. So Bombay Adda is going up in places like Bangalore, like Jaipur, like New Delhi. And yes, we are also inventing new projects like Ada Republic, which will be launching very soon. So this is not the end, because the expansion program is all on. And we are signing properties as well. While Rami started with Indian in the region, they started with 6-7 properties. As of now, there are 14 in numbers, which is like we are almost covering most of the Indian regions, states rather. We are already there in New Delhi, which will be launching in the 2018. We are launching a project in Gujarat, which is maybe again 2018. Bangalore, we have recently opened a new property, and there also we are taking a project which is R Adda. We are taking its Mirchi there, as in restaurants are concerned, the F&B is concerned. And New Delhi, we are planning to launch Bombay Adda soon, along with the Tanatan there as well.
anything you would like to add?
Well, you guys are all welcome, probably. Yeah, food lovers, I'll say you will have a unique experience while we launch this product. And I wish, because the kind of hard work and effort being put across by the team would be, a different experience altogether. I mean, you all are most invited. You're welcome, Parul. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shweta and Sanaya were doing the free scene, and that's why I'm here. So I can say that. Yeah? Yeah. Alright. You want to ask something on camera, then you can do that. Yeah? Huh? Pucho? Rolling? Well, I'm here because of Shweta and Sanaya. They are family. and I've been tasting their various kinds of cuisine for many years, and I'm very happy that they formed this partnership with Rami Guestline, and all the best to them for their future endeavors and with this partnership. Yeah.
Rami has so many lounges and one more new, Tanatan. So what do you want to say?
Well, here's to Tanatan Tan. Okay.
Come, come.
So क्या कहना चाहेंगे एक नया लॉन्च आज रामी की तरफ से फिर एक बार इतने सारे बॉम्बे
तू खुद ही बोल रही है जवाब कि फिर एक बार हम क्या बोले 2 महीने में पता नहीं क्या कहाँ जाए क्या बोलूँ बता
के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मुझे क्या पता क्या है वो अभी तो आए हैं खैर शुरू करें कुछ ना कुछ बुलशिट तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा होने से हाँ आज हम एक नए रेस्टो बार के लॉन्च पे आए हैं जिसका नाम है टनाटन जुहू में है और हमने सुना है कि बहुत बढ़िया खाना है बहुत बढ़िया एटमॉस्फेयर है तो हम बड़े उत्सुक हैं ये जानने के लिए कि एक और रेस्टो बार एक और जुहू में खुला है कैसा होगा हम उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि बहुत खूबसूरत होगा चिल करने की एक नई जगह है और आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई होप दैट इट इज़ एज सक्सेसफुल एज इट साउंड्स नाम बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है टनाटन और हम हैं दिल्ली के तो अंदर जाकर टनाटन कुछ करते हैं थैंक यू
I think I'm very excited. I think I'm really looking forward to it because this is a place where we used to come earlier. I mean, Rami Guestline, the hotel, we used to come here, the pub, Rock Bottom. So now coming back here, I think there's a new and exciting reason to come. I'm really looking forward to it. After a long time, I have come out with my husband for such a beautiful and happening evening. And I'm very excited for it. All the very best to the team. Thank you. That's it, right? That's it, right? Go back that side. अरे चलो. How much more visual will you take? You will keep scanning up and down. Hello.
So, जब भी इस तरह के रेस्टोरेंट की बात होती है सबसे पहले क्या ख्याल आता है नहीं रख सकता रे सब गिर जाएगा एक ही बात की बात है हाँ जी
Center?
आपको ठीक सेंटर में
मैं है ओके ना ये ठीक है ना अर्चू
एक ही बाइट की
अर्चू ठीक है
एक बाइट की बात है हाँ जी
क्या हुआ सेंटर सुना ही नहीं दे रहा पीछे से बहुत आवाज़ आ रही है
क्या
हाँ
इस तरह के रेस्टोरेंट की बात होती है
मुझे इतना ही लगता है कि जब स्पेशली ऐसा होता है कई बार मैं रेस्टोरेंट्स जाती भी हूँ और अच्छे खाना जो भी होता है खाती हूँ बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट cuisine. आई एम टोल्ड दिस इज़ इंडियन cuisine and it's beautifully done. I'm waiting to see it and it's all inspired by heritage and the bronze. And I think the reason is that I want to do this and I want to go inside and see exactly what's happening. और अच्छा लगता है खाना भी टेस्ट करूँगी so that I can keep coming back here again. And it feels good. Yeah, there are nice restaurants in Bombay आजकल and I'm sure this is going to be one of them for sure.
एंड जब रेस्टोरेंट का नाम इतना ब्यूटीफुल है या फिर हम कहें कि फनी
टनाटन टन आई थिंक टंग ट्विस्टर है लोग याद भी रखते हैं हमारे फिल्मों में आप ऐसे बीट सुनते हैं एंड आई थिंक इट्स क्वाइट रिदमिक इन इट्स ओन सेल्फ या
अटायर के बारे में अगर आप हमें कुछ बता सकते हैं एक आर यू वेयरिंग टुनाइट
I'm wearing my own inspired collection today, and that's what I've started doing of late, because I think kai baar, while you are being creative yourself, it's best to do your own thing. But inspiration is the theme is the party theme, and with keeping in mind the night, and keeping in mind also the fact that it's all about being yourself. Yes. Okay. Thank you too. I'm inside.
Yeah, this way.
Oh, the entry is here.
टनाटन की खूबसूरती मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है, और यहाँ पे हम लोग शायद परफॉर्म भी करेंगे अभी, और रामी से हम बहुत पहले से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि उन लोगों का एक और नया ब्रांच टनाटन कुछ ऐसा नया खुला है, तो काफ़ी मज़ा आने वाला है बहुत ज़्यादा। और खुशी इस बात की है कि हम लोग बहुत पहले से जुड़े हैं, हमारा दूसरा घर है रामी, बैठते हैं, शो करते हैं, बातें करते हैं। टनाटन के बारे में आज तो पहला ही दिन है, तो मैं देखना चाहूँगा पहले क्या है। मैं देख चुका हूँ, वैसे काफ़ी खूबसूरत है, काफ़ी अलग है। मुझे लगा था कुछ, और मेरे को लगा था कि नॉर्मल ही रहेगा, जैसे आर अड्डा है, बॉम्बे अड्डा, लेकिन कुछ और अलग है। ये तो काफ़ी अच्छा है, देखते हैं अभी परफॉर्म करके, देखते हैं कैसा लगता है वहाँ पे, और वहाँ का क्राउड जो है कैसा रिस्पॉन्स रहता है।
जगह देखी नहीं अभी तक। What do you want me to say? अभी मैं गया नहीं ऊपर। यूनिक तो है, टन टन टारा है, टनाटन तो है, बट इट्स नाइस। आई हैव सीन द इनवाइट, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड श्वेता, she's curated the menu, so I'm very excited to see what she's brought on the menu. So let me see it. एक बार वापस आ जाऊँ, then I can talk more about it. Yeah, thank you.
And they have a chain of restaurants. So what is this restaurant like? This is what?
It's too much vintage and it's all about proper food. Not like the bars which are in the city. And it's all about food and vintage and everything.
Nihit, right? Chalo, mic camera action. How are you? Yeah. Yeah.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज टनाटन का लॉन्च होने वाला है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के प्रेजेंस के लिए आपका?
See, नाम ने ही खुश कर दिया. The name itself is sounding so good, Tanaton. So as it is, I'm already in a very party and high mood. Saturday night है. I wish all the very best to Nihit and team. अभी मुझे अंदर जाना बाकी है, but जितना मैं feedback सुन रही हूँ लोगों से, that it's all about food and it's got a very vintage setup. So I wish them all the very best and may Tanaton की chain ऐसे ही बॉम्बे में और all over India खुलती रहे. All the best to everybody. Well, अभी हम YouTube पे देख रहे थे 2 million+ व्यूज़ हो गए हैं. उसके बारे में तो क्या बोलूँ मैं, वी आर वेरी हैप्पी। जब गाना बन रहा था तो हमने ऑब्वियसली, गाना आप सुनते हैं तो आपको एक क्लिक होता है दैट सॉन्ग हैज़ सम पोटेंशियल इन इट, सो इसीलिए हमने वो सॉन्ग पिक किया एंड गाया भी मैंने है इस बार फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। सो फीडबैक्स बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं, लोगों का प्यार मिल रहा है, सो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब साथ में खड़े हैं हु मेड द सॉन्ग एंड हु मेड इट happen, and because of his vision and creativity आज गाना इतना सक्सेसफुल हुआ है। 5 दिन रिलीज हुए हैं and we've crossed 2 million।
थैंक यू।
It's a restaurant. It's a bar and kitchen with Indian cuisine.
I like the bar. Tanaatan is Tanaatan, and we are here today to welcome Tanaatan to this our family, the celebs family or the actors family. And I think the Indian food is very good here. And बार तो हमेशा एक्टर्स को अच्छी लगती है।
मुझे यहाँ की बार देखनी है कि कितनी बार आ सकते हैं।
और आज
बार जाने वाला है वहाँ पर।
और आज राकेश और सुनैना की वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी भी है। So I think it's a great occasion. We'll be meeting all our friends, and happy anniversary both you guys from all of us. And it's a great day that this place is also opening, so we'll enjoy.
Wish you guys all the best. टनाटन चलो यार।
All the best.
अभी हम जाते हैं अंदर। अरे where is it? हो गया? Oh.
Wow, so we always look forward to new clubs, especially यहाँ पे बहुत सारे musical performances होने वाले हैं. So looking forward to that, and hopefully very soon I'll be performing at Tanaatan to make your night a Tanaatan sing song night. कौन सा गाना? यहाँ पे टन टना टन 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 तारा What say, ना? चलती है क्या टनाटन? Yeah? Once more. Okay. Okay, for Tanaatan, the ideal song for Tanaatan is Tan Tana Tan 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 Tara. किसके बारे में? Place के बारे में? अच्छा, dress. Oh, thank you so much. So normally you all see me in gowns and dresses. So today I'm like in these pants and a jacket. क्योंकि winter आ रहा है, so let's enjoy the good, cool, nice, chilled out weather. So that's how it is. Thanks.
मैम विजुअल पे यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे एक विजुअल ओके डन उधर का मैडम इधर ठीक है इधर
I think the food. It's amazing. मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद इतना अच्छा खाना कहीं खाया है and there's a lot of variety from curry leaf chicken to ghee roasted chicken and you know hummus with kebabs and all. I think the food is a must over here. It is fantabulous and the interiors, it's very funky and at the same time थोड़ा Indian touch है. So I think whoever comes here will enjoy the music, which is live band, and the food and the ambience. I think it's a must visit for everybody who's over here. Thank you. Bye bye.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब कोई रेस्टोरेंट नया और रेस्टोरेंट ओपन होता है तो बहुत इट्स वेरी नाइस डेफिनेटली अच्छा ही होगा अंदर से बाहर से मैं अभी तक तो मैं गया नहीं अंदर लेकिन काफ़ी दिनों से यहाँ काम चल रहा है मुझे लगता है मेरे गाना ही फिल्म का गाना यूज़ कर लिया टन 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 का जो मेरी फिल्म का ही हमारी फिल्म में जुड़वा गा अच्छा है
Hey Mahesh! Mahesh!
One more opening.
What would you like to say about Tanaatan? It's a fine dine, open in June with live band.
It's very fantastic thing nowadays. All the new pubs and lounges are opening, and it's very good for. I'm sure it's good for everyone, but हम actors के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा होता है because nearby होता है. After shooting, you can come and de-stress yourself. And this looks very nice concept. Live band in Mumbai always works, and this place is very centrally located. I've had a lot of parties here, so now one more place for me to party here. So all the best to entire team and good luck to all of you. Thank you.
Yeah, this way.
Where was it?
Sir, what do you want to say about this new launch of Tanaatan?
I'll be just going inside, and I believe it's supposed to be rocking.
Then the name is very different to what you want to say.
What I love about the place is the name Tanaatan, and I'm sure it's going to be Tanaatan.
So what do you do inside? What's your plan?
I have not made any plans as such for inside, but I'm going to enjoy myself. Okay. Bye bye.
Today's unveiling, and they've got this. It's a mix of plus a base in June, which has a live band, which has not been here, so they're bringing back the old legacy.
Fantastic.
So what do you want to say about the new launch of Tanaatan?
Well, I'm very excited. I love food, so being a Punjabi, we're definitely going to come and see what it's all about. I've heard it's like fine dining. Sometimes it's nice to just sit down and enjoy a meal with nothing else happening. So, congratulations to the owners and everyone involved in making this happen. So, looking forward, and I'm very proud and happy to be part of the opening today. Thank you so much.
going to ask me or just...
A very unusual name for a restaurant. So how excited are you to be a part of this?
I'm very, very excited because name itself is Tanatan and generally you will not associate it with a restaurant. So it's something very unique, very different, and I'm so eager to see what they have to serve us. Thank you.
Speed me up, Scotty.
Aarti, what do you want to say about this new launch of Tanatan?
I think it's a super place. Firstly, because it's a fine dine and I'm a complete foodie. I love good food. And secondly, because I think it has excellent music. So it doesn't only touch your heart, but it also touches your soul. So actually, I just saw that, you know, there was an Indian Idol contestant singing inside, and there was Sukhbir before that, and I think the ambience is fantastic. So congratulations, guys, on finally opening in Mumbai, because Mumbai has very few places that a person can go to entertain himself or herself. Movies, food, stand-up comedy, but this kind of place, very nice, needed. Thank you. Who's the Indian Idol player?
So the lounge is very nice. I really like it, and Amit is a great friend. He allowed me to come in here, and I'm enjoying it. Lovely ambience, everything nice.
And the name is very different for Tanatan.
Yeah,
so
Tanatan.
What do you think about it?
It's pretty unique, really nice.
Thank you.
No, take care.